Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. The magazine name is Abkari, your guide to a balanced, peaceful life. The editor is Sheikhul Wazaif Dr. Muhammad Tariq Mahmood Mazuri Chuktai Dawate Barkatul Alia. The topic is A Man Beyond Time and Space. The autobiography of a man born under the guardianship of saints and jinns, his life unfolds in realms unseen where he walks among supernatural beings and journey beyond human reality, traveling through different universes. He encounters mysterious aliens and explores dimension beyond time and space. The topic is for peace in the home. The last section, Ruku of Surah Al-Baqarah at the foot of the grave, then sits on the right side of the grave and recite this Durood Sharif in great abundance. A person rises from there having gained much spiritual light, special gifts, and many other blessings in reality. In it is Allah Almighty alone who grants. Allama Lahoti would like to mention that I too tried this practice known as the Sheikh Jinn practice many times. Once I was going to a graveyard in Lahore called Miani Sahab. There at an old grave, I performed this practice in a spiritual unveiling. Kashf, the occupant of the grave, informed me that if there is a hatred between husband and wife, or if there are quarrels of home or mutual hostility, then one should do the practice of cooling the fire of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. After praying the two Sunnah of Isha, recite this verse 41 times. Qulna ya naru kuni bardawa salaman ala Ibrahim, meaning we said, O fire, be cool and safe for Ibrahim. Then pray wider at the beginning and at the end recite Durood Sharif 7 times. Do this for 40 days without missing a day, then witness its effect. One who breaks the routine will not benefit, for will benefit only a little. After that I told this practice to many people. I even told it to many jinn. In fact, every jinn wants to far as that through this practice the magic and attack of our evil jinn do not work. Please like, share, subscribe the channel